Real estate. What's the difference? If you've ever wanted to invest in real estate, you've probably heard people talk about residential real estate and commercial real estate. But what's the real difference? And more importantly, which one is better for building wealth? Today, we're breaking down commercial real estate versus residential real estate. What's the difference? By the end of this video, you'll understand how each works, the pros and cons, which may fit your goals, how investors make money from both. Let's dive in. What is residential real estate? Residential real estate is property people live in. Examples include single-family homes, duplexes, small apartment buildings, townhomes, condos. The purpose is housing. This is usually where most people start investing because it's easier to understand. Financing is more beginner-friendly, lower entry costs, strong demand for housing. Many first-time investors begin with their own home, a rental property, house hacking. Residential real estate can still build serious wealth over time. What is commercial real estate? Commercial real estate is property used for business purposes. Examples: office buildings, retail shopping centers, warehouses, hotels, medical buildings, storage facilities. Businesses rent these spaces. One of the biggest differences is commercial properties are treated more like businesses than homes. Investors often focus heavily on income potential, tenant stability, market demand, lease structures. Commercial real estate can produce larger income, but usually requires larger investments. Main differences between the two. 1. Financing. Residential financing is often easier. Many people can qualify for FHA loans, conventional loans, VA loans. Commercial financing is usually more complex, larger down payments, higher qualification standards. 2. Lease terms. Residential leases are often 6 to 12 months. Commercial leases can last 3 to 10 years or longer. This can create more predictable income. 3. Tenant relationships. Residential tenants are individuals or families. Commercial tenants are businesses. That changes. Maintenance responsibilities, lease negotiations, property management. 4. Cash flow potential. Commercial properties often produce higher income potential, but they also carry higher risk, higher vacancy impact, larger expenses. Which is better for beginners? For many people, residential real estate is the easiest place to start. Why? Lower barriers to entry, easier financing, familiar process, less complexity. Commercial real estate often comes later as investors. Build experience, build capital, build confidence. There's nothing wrong with starting small. Many successful investors started with one residential property. How investors build wealth with both. Smart investors often combine both strategies. Example: residential properties create steady cash flow. Commercial properties increase scalability. Some investors start with rentals, build equity, use profits to move into commercial properties later. The key is understanding your goals. Ask yourself, do I want passive income? Do I want scalability? How much risk can I handle? How much capital do I have? At the end of the day, both residential and commercial real estate can create wealth. The best investment is often the one you understand and manage wisely. You do not need to own skyscrapers tomorrow. You simply need to learn, start strategically, stay consistent. Build over time. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Would you rather invest in residential or commercial real estate?